April 16th, 2020. After our snowstorm, I walked out to the pond, and this was all drained down about 2009, the fall of 2009, because there was beavers. There was a huge beaver dam right here, and all the poplars behind the pond was all feeding ground for the beavers. This is spring fed. You can see the water coming in from the north. That comes in all from North Road, all the pastures and gathers, and comes off this hillside, which goes all the way that way. This was made by the Army Corps of Engineers in 52 or 53. That is from the man Hans Hartung himself, and his son Robert Hartung both told me that that's what happened and how this was formed. So this was a gathering place for water, not only from this forest behind us, which is 35 acres, plus there's another 60 acres of forest that are owned by other people behind here, that all the watershed comes down this way, and from all these pastures over here, which there are many, and probably, I would think, 30 or 40 acres of nice hay pasture over that way. The plan is this year is we're going to fill this in. The dam is right over there, as you can see, I'm pointing to. And we're just talking about it. The woman who purchased my parents' house where I grew up, got this piece of property with the house, and we have talked about she definitely wants to clean this up and continue the farm restoration project. Ideally, all of that brush right back there, you can see the white poplars back there. Those are just the yearlings. There was huge ones in here that were cut out, and those got rid of the beavers. This is all flooded, terrible. He's calling me. Pistol. Pistol. Are you having fun? I just have them tied to my waist. I can run the camera. But that's it. We'll continue. I'll show you more of the waterway. We're going to head down past that dam, and you can see. But once this is filled, when I was a kid, there was a dock over where that tree is down to my left, to the left of the camera. That's in the water a bit. There was a dock there, and we would swim in here and ice skate. But we would swim in here. My uncles would come up from Long Island, and my mother thought we were all crazy. And you had to get some leeches on you and stuff once in a while, but it was great. But ice skating on this is huge. I'm standing, right where I'm standing right now would be up to my waist in water, and you can see we had an old chair, porch rocker out here. Anyways, there's the house, so you get an idea. My house is over that way, about 3/4 of a mile. I just walked here. And that's it for now.